Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast. I'm excited to share some helpful tips with you. Many people feel scared when they watch English videos without subtitles. This is completely normal and okay. Today we'll learn simple ways to understand English videos better. You don't need to be perfect right away. Remember, learning takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself as you improve your English listening skills. Let's start this journey together. Are you ready to discover some amazing techniques that really work? First, let's think about your English level. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner right now? Beginners should start with simple videos like children's shows or easy news programs for better understanding. Intermediate learners can try movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos that match their personal interests and hobbies. Advanced learners should challenge themselves with documentaries, podcasts, or complex movies with difficult vocabulary and topics. Know your level honestly. This helps you choose the right videos that won't frustrate you too much. Picking good content is very important for your success. Start with topics you already know well. If you love cooking, watch cooking shows in English. Your background knowledge will help you understand. Sports fans should watch sports videos. You already know the rules, so language becomes much easier. Avoid very difficult content at first. Movies with heavy accents or technical topics can be too challenging. YouTube has great English learning channels. These are made specially for people learning English like you. Watch movies you've already seen in your native language. You know the story, so understanding becomes easier. Disney movies are perfect for beginners. The language is simple and the stories are easy to follow. Try watching the same video multiple times. Each time you'll understand more words and phrases clearly. Superhero movies use simple language and lots of action. The visual context helps you understand the dialogue. Familiar content reduces stress and builds confidence. You can focus on learning instead of worrying about comprehension. Pay attention to body language, facial expressions, and gestures. These give you important information about meaning. When someone looks angry, they're probably saying something negative. Happy faces usually mean positive words or news. Hand gestures often match what people are saying. Point gestures show direction or specific objects in scenes. Background music and sounds also help. Scary music means danger, while happy music suggests good things. Visual context is your best friend. Use your eyes as much as your ears when watching. You don't need to understand every single word. Listen for the most important words in sentences. Names, numbers, and action words are usually the most important parts of any conversation or dialogue. Don't worry about small words like the a or of. Focus on words that carry meaning. If you miss something, don't panic. Keep listening and try to understand the general idea instead. Write down new words you hear often. These are probably important words worth learning and remembering. Sit in a quiet place without distractions. Turn off your phone and focus completely on the video. Try to predict what will happen next. This keeps your brain active and engaged with the content. Ask yourself questions while watching. Who is speaking? What are they talking about? Why is this important? Pause the video sometimes to think about what you just heard. This helps process the information better. Take notes about new words or phrases. Writing helps you remember and learn more effectively than just listening. Start a vocabulary notebook for new words you learn from videos. Write the word and its meaning. Learn word families together. If you know happy, also learn happiness, happily, and unhappy at the same time. Practice using new words in your own sentences. This helps move words from passive to active vocabulary. Review your vocabulary notes regularly. Repetition is the key to remembering new words for a long time. Don't try to learn too many words at once. 5 to 10 new words per day is enough. English has many different accents around the world. American, British, Australian, and others sound quite different. Start with one accent type and get comfortable with it. Then slowly try other accents when ready. American movies and TV shows are often easier for beginners. The accent is clear and widely understood. British content can be challenging because of the accent. Try BBC News for clear British English pronunciation. Don't worry if you can't understand all accents immediately. Even native speakers sometimes have trouble with accents. Start with slower content like news programs. News anchors speak clearly and at a moderate pace. YouTube lets you change video speed. Try watching at 0.75 speed first, then normal speed later. As you improve, try faster content like comedy shows or casual conversations between friends and family. Natural conversation is often fast with interruptions. This is normal and challenging even for advanced learners. Practice regularly with different speeds. Your ears will gradually adjust to faster English speech patterns and rhythms. Watch English videos for at least 15-20 minutes every day. Consistency is more important than long sessions. Mix different types of content throughout the week. Monday movies, Wednesday news, Friday YouTube videos works well. Keep a learning journal. Write what you watched and what new things you learned each day. Set realistic goals. Maybe understand 50% this month, then 60% next month. Celebrate your progress and improvements. Find a study partner or join online communities. Sharing your experience makes learning more fun and motivating. Learning to watch English videos without subtitles takes time and patience. Don't expect immediate perfect results. Remember these key points. Choose appropriate content. Use visual clues. Focus on important words and practice regularly. Start today with something simple and enjoyable. Even 15 minutes of daily practice will make a difference. Your listening skills will improve gradually. Trust the process and be proud of your progress, no matter how small. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. Good luck with your English learning journey. You can do this! Remember to subscribe and share this podcast with friends who are also learning English. See you next time.